Welcome back, people. Today we have another unboxing video. I don't know why, but I do like doing these. I do get a lot of comments asking me different things. So today we are unboxing the EZmtb brake bleeding kit. So I am going to make a video of me actually using this brake bleeding kit as well. So yeah, if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. But I am going to definitely make I'm going to make this work on my bike because I know I've got the right one. So anyway, let's have a look at the back here. Looks like there's an instruction manual. I have bleeded brakes before in the past, so I'm gonna see what that booklet tells me. See how helpful it is for somebody who's never done this before. So this is a brake bleeding kit for hydraulic disc brake hose length adjustment and bleed guide as well. Now this kit is specifically for Shimano, so if you don't have a Shimano brake kit, then maybe you might want to look for something else, but we'll see. I've had this for a short minute and I haven't actually used it yet, so I definitely need to. I might even make the next video straight after this video because my back brake does feel kind of spongy. So okay, let's definitely feels a little cheap if I'm honest, but then I did only pay £10 for it. It wasn't very much, but it would do the job. And straight away it looks like that this is broken over this side, so this clip has broke. So unfortunately I wanted to keep this box, to keep it in that box, but didn't last long. And it wasn't like I was rough with it or anything. That side's perfect, but that side, yeah, that does suck a little bit because it means now I've got to get another box, but that's all right. At least I guess it's not really the best of starts, is it? But anyway, if you want to do this website from where I brought it from, I did actually buy it from eBay, but they do have their own website, which is www.ezmtb.com. So yeah, they have their own website. Let's open it up, let's have a look. Now, to be honest, there is a couple of things that I have noticed with this that I don't really know what all of the proper names are for everything. So I can't, I'm sorry, but I can't tell you exactly what everything is. There is definitely a few things here that I haven't seen before, this being one of them. So it's got 1 to 10, which I'm guessing is for these. And see, these I can connect onto the hosing. So this I would put in between my brake pads to stop them touching, stop the pistons moving. Let's have a look, see what else. There's a different shape one there. Tube clamp, okay. Probably wouldn't use that, to be honest. So this is what sits in the very, very top of your brake when you are bleeding or even just topping it up, whatever. So this part here will screw on top of it like that, and then we have our plug inside. That's pretty cool. So you take the plug out. This is pretty much like a sink, really. That's the way to look at it. So when that's in, there's a little hole in there. You can just about see that. Once it fills up with the old mineral oil, I will then drop that inside there like that. Unscrew it, take it off, and then that way it's not all going to leak out the bottom because I have the plug in. So yeah, very simple design, but these are, the threads on them are not the very best. This is my second one that I've had brought, and the other one I did have for many, like insanely long years. So I don't even know how long I had the other one. But it did last a long time, and that's why I thought I'd do an unboxing of this, because obviously I threw mine away a long time ago and I needed a new one. So, but yeah, that looks okay. You just got to be very careful with it because it is very fragile. Don't put too much pressure. Same as when you're putting the plug in, just a little light push, not like insanely, don't go too mad with it. Just as long as it sits like that, and then you're perfect to take that out. Okay, so here the bleed bottle itself, this is what I'd put my mineral oil into, which, as I said, I will make a video on it. Disposal of used oil. Okay, so that's not too bad. You do get quite a bit for £10, just basically everything that you need more than anything else. So this is here the syringe, which I'm going to open up and show you. I do different random unboxing videos, like it's not just to do with bikes, it is pretty much anything and everything. But I guess it's nice to show some of this stuff sometimes. Okay, so here we have up to 20 mils. I think that's mils. It looks, at least it looks like it's mils. So we unscrew it, and then after we unscrew it, okay, maybe not, that's just the handle. Okay. I didn't quite. Alright, okay, we don't have to unscrew it. The last one that I brought, I had to unscrew it from there, keep turning it for that to pop out, but it was just a little bit on the stiff side. But anyway, let's turn that so that's nice and tight, and then we turn this handle again, so make sure that's tight. Alright, so quick little demonstration. We do get a couple of tubes with it, obviously, that one and a shorter one if you would prefer, and we're going to basically put that like that. But before we just put that on, that's kind of what these are for. So we got lots of different sizes there. It's I'm just going to go for, let's check out the biggest one first, I guess. What's the biggest one? Okay, that one doesn't fit in there, so or actually, hold on, they're very, very flimsy. Got to be ever so careful with the threads. Okay, that does fit in there, but I don't really like that. It's not in there as good as what it could be, so maybe I wouldn't use that one personally. But just grab another one the same size as everything else. Just be very careful when you're doing it. You could just use a normal syringe, to be honest. You don't have to actually use this one. And again, you could always get an old bit of tube, and you could always get any bottle anywhere. So really, you don't need to buy it, I guess. Like, it's not a really big important thing. You could just make one yourself, but if you're fussy like me and you like to use the proper stuff, then yeah, make sure when you screw that in, you screw it in so it's dead straight. There we go, like that. So it's not off at an angle. At least I don't think it looks like it's off at an angle. But anyway, we put the tube on, push the tube on. Very easy. There we go, there's a tube on. And then is what we would do is we would suck up our mineral oil into this tube, and then we'd push it slowly until there's no bubbles here at all. And then we'd connect that onto our brake, and then we'd slowly push through, flicking the cable as well to make sure there's no bubbles. So yeah, pretty simple kit, pretty straightforward, to be honest. For £10, not too bad. I probably could have got an old syringe from anywhere, and to get a little bit of plastic piping like this, again, I could have probably got it from anywhere. So you could definitely get it cheaper than £10. Just, I'm a little fussy. So here's our gloves. I don't really use gloves when I'm working, to be honest. Sometimes I do, but not really, because you can never get proper grip of stuff. So 2 gloves. If you want to use gloves, they're very, you could always buy these as a box. They're very easy to get hold of. So there's our gloves, and then we have our spanner, which is handy. I use my own tools personally myself. And then obviously here's our Allen key to undo our brake at the top. Let's have a look at the instructions. That's what I'm interested in more than anything else. We got a couple of stickers here as well. Pretty cool. I probably wouldn't put them on my bike, to be honest, personally myself, but it's completely up to you guys. And here, okay, it actually shows a different setup, which I've never seen that kind of setup before, so I'm guessing that's that there. Yeah, that's definitely different compared to normal. So we'd put the tube through it showing. Let me do that. I want to see how it looks. Okay, so we have that like that, and then we'll have a small one which is number 5 and a number 6. But these are not actually, I don't think they're actually numbered. They don't look like they're numbered, but I can tell which ones are. So it's one of those and one of them. Okay, just want to set it up like the booklet says and see. So first we'd put this one on, push that into there like that, and then this we'd screw into there, it looks like. Nope, that's not quite right. Let me see the other way. I don't think it's going to be that way. No, I don't know. That's yeah, that's a little bit strange. Let me see if there's another one in there, different size. Okay, there is. There's a different one there. Let me try this one. Okay, it doesn't look like that screws on anywhere, so let me take that one out. We'll put that in there. Then we have that screw piece. Maybe that screws onto there then. Okay, there we go. We got there eventually. Alright, so that's like that. It looks like maybe that was on the shorter tube rather than that one. So I'm just going to pull that off and quickly put it onto this smaller tube just to see what it looks like. I don't even know what this is. If you guys know, leave it in comments section below so it'd help out others. I'm just more so doing this just to show you the kit. But I don't know all the proper names to stuff, unfortunately. Okay, so I think that one goes there. And then this one goes on this side, I think. Like that. Alright, and then I guess you would push that to stop the oil going through. At least that's what it looks like that. So you push it in so it clips in, it's pinching it, and then you would undo it so the oil flows through. That's not bad. Definitely different to what I've had before, but that's not bad. Okay, let's connect it up to here. Is it that one? I don't think that one will fit in there, will it? Okay, not that side. This one then. Doesn't look like that one wants to screw in either. Oh wow. Okay, hold on. With it, that little rubber seal there is kind of stopping it. Don't think it's that one then. So let me take that one off and see. It looks a little bit like the bigger one. It does look like that. That does specifically go there. I'm pretty sure it does. It looks like it. Okay. I think that's right. Alright, so yeah, it's a little bit cranky, but I guess you could clip it off so the oil doesn't go through anymore, and it does the job. That was only on one as well. There's different settings that you can change it to just here, so you can make it stronger, so there's no way for the oil to go through at all. Alright, so there's that setup. That's what we just did. Let's have a look at the actual booklet itself just to see if it shows you how to screw on the other stuff. Okay, so these are, like I said, they're for all different brake calipers. Okay, and then let's open it up a little more. Okay, so this thing here, which I've never seen before, this is to put all of these, to put all of them into there. That's what that is for. Okay, let's open up a little more. Wow, there's so much. Okay, so we didn't, let's put this goes on the bottle. We didn't do that. Okay, so that way you can hang that onto your bike whilst you're doing this. And then it looks like a small tube. Does that actually go through there? Okay, we're going to use the big tube for now, but I think the small tube was meant to go there. That's the way it is. Okay, so like that pushes through into there. Don't ask me about that side. I don't I don't know what that side is about. Okay, it looks like that pushes up right against your brake, against where the tube connects for the old oil to drop out. See, another way to do it is to put oil in here, your new mineral oil into here, put this at the bottom, and then let it flow through your cable, and then your old oil will drop down into there. So that's that method. Or obviously you can push the oil up, and then the old oil will be in here, whatever way you prefer. So it's good that it's quite understandable in that kind of sense. Okay, yeah, very, very big booklet. Pretty good, easy to understand. Obviously I showed you this method here, which is A1, we did that. And then I showed you this method here, which is B2. And then we did that as well, which is A3. And then there's our tools. Turning over, exactly the same. Okay, all right. Viewing video tutorial there. I will leave that like that for a second, and then that way if you wanted to scan that, you can. I'll hold it still. Alright, so there is a video tutorial if you need to as well. So our unboxing kit of the EZmtb or MTB bleed kit, however, EZmtb bleed kit. I'm gonna, as I said, make a video of me using this bleed kit, so if you're interested in how it works, you could always check out the video. Very easy to understand. I think I've explained as much as detail as I can, but yeah, if you still don't feel confident doing it yourself, I will make a video of me using this. Hope you did learn something from this in some sort of way. Hopefully you did, or maybe you just want to buy this kit yourself. Any comments, leave in the comment section below, and I try and get back to you guys as fast as I can. Sometimes it does take me a little bit of time to obviously reply to everybody, just because I've got an insane amount of videos, but I do try my best. If you are new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to support the channel a little bit more. We have members linked in the description below. If not, I appreciate everybody who subscribes, shares the content, drops a like. We catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.